Life can be hectic. By the time I was finished with my day, I was feeling sluggish, run down. I always take a multivitamin, but my doctor said I still wasn't getting enough of the nutrients that I needed. With so many vitamins out there, I usually just grab the first one that catches my eye. But after doing some research, I found out they're not all the same.
Generic multivitamins like Centrum, they really only provide the basic daily recommendations that your body needs to avoid deficiencies. But when you choose Life Extension's daily multivitamins, you'll be getting the ideal amounts of vitamins, minerals, and health-promoting nutrients, not just those minimum amounts.
I like that Life Extension products are tested by independent researchers. Then they share the results. Who does that?
In fact, Life Extension's 1 per day or 2 per day multivitamins deliver potent formulas, so you'll be getting the additional health benefits from vital ingredients, from increasing your energy levels with more vitamin B1 or boosting your immunity with more vitamin C.
I chose 2 per day multivitamin because it fits right into my schedule. After I made the switch, my energy levels are up, and I'm feeling more like myself. And that's the me I really want everyone to see.